Let's talk about the difference between a side kick and a round kick. When you're a beginner student, sometimes you just don't realize the difference between them. They feel like they're maybe the same kick. Two completely different kicks. We need to know the directions of it they go to help us out to know when we might use them. First, let's talk about the side kick. Right? Side kick needs to go straight at the target, directly at the target, using some of the largest muscle groups that we have in our body, like our glutes and our quads, to push and slam directly into the target. So a couple things, we need to make sure our other foot is going to be pointing backwards when we're doing the kick, and we can practice that first by pivoting and then doing the kick, and over time getting better at pulling our leg back and pivoting at the same time. We want our knee and our heel to be the same height, so if we can get, we want our knee and our heel to be the same height, so we can get our heel and our knee to be flat across here and one not sagging down or definitely not going up there. Then we can use more just the pushing muscles to thrust to the target. If you're picking it up here, it's going to be trying to swing up, and if somebody jams you, you're not going to have any space to do the kick. You're just going to bounce off of them. So we need to have it as level as we can. It also needs to go with our heel directly at the target. So from this position here with our other foot pivoted and our leg up nice and tight, we're pushing directly into the target and then pulling it back. So it's stabbing straight out with just our heel for power. So again, it pulls back, slams into the target and pulls back. Now let's work on the round kick a little bit. Round kick comes more to the side of the target. So the side of the person's head or body or ribs or leg. So we need to make sure that we do not pull our leg back the same way as the side kick, but that it's almost opposite. Side kick, we can think like a ball. If we do round kicks, we need to think about opening up more. So again, I need that foot pivoted from my hips, but I point my knee at the target. The ball of my foot is pulled back because I'm going to be hitting on the side of the target with the ball of my foot. So again, it's coming directly on the sides of the target or directly on the side of the person. You can hit just about anywhere with a round kick. Side kick needs to be here for the most power. Round kicks can have just as much power to the leg as they do to the face, depending on your flexibility level. So again, a round kick, I need my foot to pivot just like the side kick, but I open up, point my knee at the target, kick on the side of the target, follow the foot, bend it again, laying it down in the front. More of a snapping kick, less of a power kick. Still generates a lot of power because of the pure speed that's on it, but using completely different muscles than we do on the side kick. Just to review real fast, chamber for a side kick, you pull back, step out and back. On a round kick, we point our knee at the target, open up, kick with the ball of the foot.